guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I want to share with you another crescent roll recipe. You guys know I have a love for these rolls. They're absolutely phenomenal. So today I want to show you how to make like a cheese Danish dessert with them. It's so good. It's so easy. Absolutely amazing. You guys are gonna love it. I hope you give it a try.
Occasionally I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. I never built the wall, but shut it all down. But now it's even made of concrete. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Circle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive.